Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete call history in Google Meet. The first thing you do is open up the Google Meet app, click on the three lines at the top left corner, click on settings, then scroll down to calling account, tap on it, tap on manage calling account, manage call history actually. Now you have the option of delete all history. You can decide to delete never, or after 30 days, or after 60 days. And if you want to delete it immediately, click on delete all history. But note that all history of your calls, messages, and people you've contacted using Meet calling from all your devices will be permanently deleted. If you still want to do this, click on delete. And that is all. It is as simple as that. Your history was deleted. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more.